20 kilogram block is being raised by a rope as shown in the diagram. Find the tension in the rope if the acceleration is 2 meters per second squared upwards or 2 meters per second squared downwards. Now note the weight of 20 g would act this way, and I'm going to use g is equal to 9.8. So in part A, the acceleration is upwards at 2 meters per second squared. So the resultant force must be T take away 20g. And that's going to be equal to the mass times the acceleration. And therefore T is going to be 20 times 2, add 20g, which is of course 20 times 9.8. So all we need to do is calculate that. So that's going to be 40, add 20 times 9.8, 236 newtons. In part B, the acceleration would be in the opposite direction. Therefore, we would have 20g minus T as the resultant force, and that would be equal to the mass times the acceleration. Rearranging gives me that T is 20g, or 20 times 9.8, take away 20 times 2. So we just do 20 times 9.8, take away 40, gives me 156 newtons.